Motorola has just unveiled a new device with a rather large battery. It is called Moto G24 Power. It's been a while since Motorola introduced special power editions of its G-series devices, but it has finally re-released a device with these features. Let me tell you about its specifications. It is available in glacier blue and also ink blue colors, with a design quite different from what Motorola had us used to, especially in the part of the camera module that has a small relief. Its screen is a 6.56-inch LCD. It has an HD plus resolution and 90 Hz in its refresh rate. It confirms us that it is a basic screen, so it will be an entry-level device but with a great battery. The processor, fortunately, is the MediaTek Helio G85, and the battery is 6,000 milliamps with support for 30-watt charging. There is no doubt that both charging and battery are its most attractive points. In the photographic section, it has 50-megapixel main camera accompanied by a 2-megapixel macro camera that is not good for much and will have 16-megapixel selfies. It comes with Android 14, stereo sound with Dolby Atmos as virtually all Motorola, headphone jack, IP52 certification to resist splashes, and side fingerprint reader. This device arrives in two configurations. Both have 128 gigabytes of storage, storage, but the base version is 4 gigabytes of RAM, while the higher version goes up to 8 gigabytes of RAM. At the moment, these devices have been announced for India, and the price of the most basic unit is 8,999 rupees. On the other hand, the highest edition goes up to 9,999 rupees. Now we will have to wait a little time to find out if Motorola will also distribute this special power edition device in the rest of the world.